You know those wild diet trends you see online today? Drinking celery juice, eating only raw food, or fasting for days on end? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. Because compared to the bizarre, often stomach-churning diets our ancestors tried, your detox smoothie looks positively sane. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the weird history of what people ate to be healthy, beautiful, or just popular. We're uncovering 5 insane historical food crazes bizarre diets. Trends so ridiculous, so dangerous, you'll be happy to stick to your modern-day calories. These are the food fads that will make you rethink your dinner plans. Let's start with a diet so extreme, so disgusting, that it sounds like something from a horror movie. In the Victorian era and early 20th century, a popular weight loss method was to intentionally ingest a tapeworm. The idea was simple. You swallow a pill or a capsule containing a tapeworm larva. Once inside your body, the worm would grow and eat your food, allowing you to eat whatever you wanted without gaining weight. After you had reached your desired weight, you would then take another pill to kill the worm and, well, let's not get into the details of getting it out. This diet was, as you can imagine, incredibly dangerous. Patients suffered from severe abdominal pain, digestive issues, and nutrient deficiencies. The worms could grow to be up to 30 feet long and, in some cases, could migrate to other parts of the body, causing serious health problems. It's a truly disgusting and horrifying reminder of the lengths people will go to for a quick fix. Our next trend involves a deadly poison. In the 19th century, believe it or not, a craze for eating arsenic swept through parts of Europe, particularly Austria. It was believed to improve one's complexion and make them more beautiful. People, mostly women, would start with a tiny dose and gradually increase it, believing it would give their skin a pale, luminous glow and make them more youthful. The practice was so widespread that there were even communities of arsenic eaters who would publicly demonstrate their tolerance for the poison. The truth was far more grim. While a tiny dose might not kill you immediately, chronic arsenic poisoning led to severe health problems, including hair loss, skin lesions, and organ failure. The long-term effects were devastating, and many died from their addiction to this deadly beauty trend. It's a stark reminder that some beauty standards are, quite literally, toxic. We all chew our food. But what if I told you there was a diet where the chewing was the entire point? This was the bizarre diet of Horace Fletcher, known as Fletcherism, or the chewing diet. Fletcher's rule was simple. You had to chew each mouthful of food exactly 32 times until it was completely liquid. He believed this would extract all the nutrients from the food and prevent overeating. After chewing, you were supposed to swallow only the liquid part and spit out the rest. He called this nature's way to chew. Fletcherism was incredibly popular in the early 20th century, with famous followers like John D. Rockefeller. But as you can imagine, it was a very tedious and inefficient way to eat. Many of his followers became malnourished and underweight. It's a hilarious example of a diet that was less about food and more about a ridiculous, self-imposed chore. Imagine a diet so extreme it was made popular by a famous poet. In the 19th century, the poet Lord Byron, obsessed with his weight, popularized the vinegar and water diet. Byron's diet was dangerously simple. He would drink large amounts of vinegar and water, and sometimes a small piece of potato, to cleanse his body and suppress his appetite. The vinegar, he believed, would help him stay skinny. He was incredibly influential, and the trend caught on, with many women in high society adopting the dangerous diet. The side effects were, of course, terrible. The excessive vinegar would destroy a person's stomach lining and cause severe digestive issues. Many of his followers became incredibly ill, and some even died. It's a sad but powerful reminder that a diet endorsed by a celebrity is not always a good idea. Our final insane diet takes us to a whole new level of absurdity. This was the belief that you could live on nothing but air, water, and sunlight. This practice, known as breatharianism, was a bizarre craze in the early 20th century. The followers of this diet believed that food was unnecessary and that they could survive by a combination of willpower and cosmic energy. They would meditate, drink water, and spend hours in the sun, convinced that their bodies could be sustained by light alone. It sounds like a New Age spiritual practice, but the science behind it was, well, let's just say, not there. The inevitable reality was starvation. Many people who attempted this diet became incredibly sick, and a number of them died from malnutrition. It's a tragic and bizarre example of a diet that was not only ineffective, but also completely lethal. It's a powerful reminder that while belief is strong, it's no match for the basic laws of biology. And there you have it. 5 truly insane historical food crazes and bizarre diets that prove humanity's relationship with food has always been complicated. From swallowing a tapeworm to living on sunlight, these trends offer a grim yet hilarious glimpse into the weird world of health. Which of these historical horrors do you find the most ridiculous? Let us know in the comments below. If you found these untold tales of the past as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Past Unlocked for more unique historical discoveries, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure.